How to make payment with bank transfer. So for those that want to get this AI course with bank transfer, or if you have used the ATM method and it doesn't work for you, you can use this bank transfer to get it very easy. So now you click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, you input your name and your email address. So here is the amount of the course, 1,200, and this 98 naira is the transaction fee, seller transaction fee. So you're going to be transferring 1,298 naira into the account to get the course. So once you've input your name and email address, you click on pay now. You click on pay now. So after you click on pay now, you can see there card method, transfer, bank, USSD, and QR payment. So since you want to pay with bank transfer, you click on this second one that says pay with transfer. You click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to load up and bring out the account number that you're going to pay with. So this is the account number, Paystack Titan, and this is the account number. You can copy it, then this is the amount that you're going to send. So you're going to send it between 30 minutes. So the account number is going to be expiring within 30 minutes. So before then, you should have done the transfer already. It won't take time. Just 30 minutes or 30 seconds or 1 minute, you are done with the transfer. If you're using Wema Bank, you cannot see this bank, this Paystack Titans there. So I've tried it. There's no option for this in Wema Bank, but you can try Access and other banks. You're going to get them. So once you make the transfer, then you click on I've sent the money. Once you click on I've sent the money, they are going to confirm it and give you access to the course immediately. So this is how to make payment using bank transfer to get the course. All right, thank you.